feel like The Rock. You know? We're gonna be making tacos today. Where I put the huzz. I call them chopped huzz. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Circumcise the onion. Done. Alright. Oh, my eyes, bro. Oh. Cool. Issue with this place is the fan for the stove just kind of pushes the smoke more into the house. And sometimes the fire alarm goes off and then the whole building's fire alarm goes. I can't even see my hat. Extra virgin, just like me. Kidding. Oh, my eyes, bro. Oh. Did they name murdering people after the burn system, or was the like second degree, first degree murder, or was it second degree, first degree burns first? Scissors. Scissor? I hardly know her. Ouch! Oh, there's just so much smoke in the air. Oh, no! This smells delicious. I'm very excited. So, we are aiming for this. Ours will look like that in no time. The piece de la resistance. Taco. I give it like a 7.8 out of 10. Yum. Yum. Yum.